Stand by.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will be on the air, providing news and information to the public in the assigned area. This is Black. We will now continue to serve the United States area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune the stations providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Black. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the United States area. Do not use the telephones. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Well, that's one crispy hash brown and a cheesy sausage McMuffin with egg. A perfect start to the day. Oh, you're hacking the menu to make a crispy, cheesy hash brown McMuffin. Oh, my goodness, that looks good. You know, I've seen this one before. I had a friend who used to do this.
This is the end of times. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency has now been declared. Many people has been turning into blob-like consistencies. Most consistencies is known to be dangerous and hostile. This event, now known as SCP-001, has struck the United States and the world. There is only 26 people left in the Earth. However, in the United States, there is only 19 people left. Canada has been completely wiped out. And so has Japanese and Australia. I'm sorry to say this, but this is the end of the world as we know it. To everyone, gather your family, friends, loved ones, prepare for the end. We will now play the national anthem. May God bless the United States, and may God bless